Hi everyone and welcome to this video presentation. My name is Pawan Kumar Vallaju and this is part of my marketing analytics course. Today I will be guiding you through a deep dive into one of the most valuable concepts in modern marketing, that is customer lifetime value or CLV. CLV is more than just a calculation, it's a lens through which companies can understand customer behavior, evaluate marketing effectiveness, and make smarter strategic decisions. Now, more than ever, businesses are competing not just for new customers, but also for long term loyalty. That's why understanding CLV is so important. It helps us shift our thinking from one-time transactions to lifelong relationships. In this video, I will explain what CLV is, how it's calculated, and why it matters in marketing strategy. We will also look at examples, applications in real businesses, and even touch on predictive models. By the end, you will see how companies like Amazon, Starbucks, and Netflix are using CLV to drive retention, loyalty, and growth. Let's jump in. Let's start with the foundation. What is customer lifetime value? At its core, CLV is the estimated net profit a company expects to earn from a customer over the entire duration of their relationship. So, instead of thinking how much did this customer spend today, we ask how much will this customer spend with us in total over the next few months or years. This way of thinking is important because not all customers are equal. One customer might buy a product once and disappear, while another might become a loyal brand advocate who returns again and again. By understanding CLV, we can begin to prioritize the customer who bring the most value and allocate marketing resources more effectively. It also helps us make smarter decisions about how much to invest in acquiring a new customer. For example, if we know a customer is likely to bring in $500 in profit over time, spending $50 or even $100 to acquire them might be totally justified. Think of CLV as long as long-term metric. It tells us who is really worth investing in and how we can build deeper, more profitable relationships over time. Talk about why CLV matters in marketing analytics. CLV matters because it drives smarter business decisions. Let's say you are spending $100 to acquire a customer. If their lifetime value is only $80, you are losing money. But if that customer brings in $500 over time, you are making a smart investment. CLV helps allocate budgets more effectively, tailor retention strategies, and build long-term profitability. In a data-driven world, marketing decisions need to be backed by insights like CLV. Simple way to calculate CLV. CLV is equals to average purchase value into purchase frequency into customer lifespan. Let me break this down. Average purchase value is how much a customer typically spends per purchase. Purchase frequency is how often they buy. Customer lifespan is how long they continue buying from you. This basic formula gives you a quick yet useful estimate of a customer's value over time. Let's walk through an example using a simple data set. Say you have 100 customers who together made 2,000 purchases totaling $1 lakh. That's an average purchase value of $50. an average 20 purchases per customer. If the average customer stays with you for 3 years, that comes $50 into 20 into 3, that equals to $3,000 per customer. You can do this in Excel using basic formulas or automate it using Power BI if we are dealing with large scale data. Basic formula, many companies use predictive analytics to estimate CLV. They use customer behavior like browsing history, click-throughs, and past purchases to forecast future value. Machine learning models can analyze patterns and automatically update CLV scores in real time. This is especially useful for e-commerce and subscription-based businesses where customer behavior changes frequently. Tools like Python, R, even Tableau with R integration can be used for more accurate predictions. So, how do companies actually use CLV? Here are some key applications that how companies use CLV to know their customers better. There are three applications mainly useful in this CLV. One is customer segmentation, second one is personalized campaigns, and third one is budget allocation. So coming to first one, customer segmentation. This one mainly focus on marketing efforts and high value customer. This means this only focus on the customer who is going to spend more value to the company. And coming to second one, personalized campaigns offer better incentives to customer with high predicted value. The second one only focus on the customer who are predicted to spend more value for the company so that the spending money also comes back to the company. So they conduct special campaigns for this particular group of customer who is predicted to spend more money for the company. And coming to the third one, budget allocation. This is the main important in the CLV to control everything, even the first one and second, what we just discussed. This means reduce spend on low CLV segment. So company identify from which segment they are getting low spendings from the customer, so they reduce budget on these and use this budget for the other two applications so that they can spend more on the value for the customer and also they can get back the value for the company too. For example, in other words, a company might send loyalty rewards only to high CLV users to improve ROI. Let's look at a few real world examples. Uh, Now I will explain real life businesses like Starbucks, Amazon, and a few airlines how they use CLV to understand their customers better and offer them better rewards and recommendation and also VIP treatment to have long term relationships. And first one, Starbucks uses CLV from only mainly for app purchases to offer personalized rewards. And coming to Amazon, constantly updates recommendation based on predicted CLV. And coming to third one, airlines, they give VIP treatment to frequent flyers based on their long-term value. These companies use CLV to prioritize relationships and increase customer satisfaction while boosting revenue. Let's do a quickly recap so that we can remember everything what we have just learned from this video. CLV is the total value a customer brings over time. It can be calculated with simple math or advanced predictive tools. It helps businesses spend smarter and focus on the right customers. Mastering CLV can give any smarter uh, competitive edge for the marketer. So much for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand customer lifetime value better. Thank you so much once again.